How to open Microsoft Word files in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and go to the main screen where your recent documents appear. Next, tap the folder icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, choose to open from either Google Drive or device storage depending on where your Word file is located. I am using device storage, and this will take you to the file browser where you can access files stored on your device. Now, locate the Microsoft Word file you want to open. Word files usually have a .doc or .docx extension. Once you find it, tap on the file. Google Docs will automatically convert and open the Word document in an editable format. Once opened, you can read, edit, and even share the file just like a regular Google Docs document. The formatting may adjust slightly, but most of the content is preserved well during the conversion. If you want to save the file in Google Docs format, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Save and Export, then tap Save As and choose Google Docs. This will create a separate version in your drive while keeping the original Word file intact. And that's it. Now you know how to open Microsoft Word files in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.